Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to offer you a motivational moment to help you keep going on your reseller business. I get discouraged sometimes, and these things help me. I know they will help you too. So let's get motivated. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just wanted to give you a brief motivational moment, and I'm going to start with a verse in 2 Timothy 1:7. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. I have a lot of you guys that are resellers or starting to become aspiring resellers that have gotten a chance to chat with me and have expressed a great amount of fear into jumping into certain aspects of their reseller business. And so I just wanted to alleviate a few of those fears. First off, do your research. I offer consultation calls, and I know a lot of you that have done those consultation calls have learned, oh my goodness, it's not as scary as it seems. A lot of you jumping into Amazon are fearful because of all the rules and regulations, and they're afraid to get banned. Well, don't worry about that. Just follow the rules. If you're concerned about anything at all, don't send it in to FBA. If you're concerned about an email or an intellectual property claim, I almost immediately just withdraw that particular product, bring it back, and sell it on a different platform such as eBay or Facebook Marketplace. And so it's very, very easy to avoid those pitfalls of getting banned or suspended from certain platforms. And you got to remember, they're the ones that run the company, and you're being allowed to sell on their platform. And so you got to make sure that you're following all of their rules for sure. Same thing with eBay. A lot of people have been limited with their eBay sales. And so you just got to make sure that you're shipping everything properly in their amount of time. Change that handling time if you can't get everything shipped out in time. So just remember, there's always a solution to what you're afraid of, and you should be able to accomplish your reselling goals. So hopefully this has been helpful. When you receive this motivational moment, I will just be getting back from a week long of counseling kids at church camp. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited that God has given me this opportunity. So 25 kids from our church from ages 3rd to 6th grade are going to spend a week immersed in God's Word, learning much about Him. And so I'm going to take this verse with me and make sure that it's being utilized. 2 Timothy 1:7 again, for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you don't attend church or cannot get out, please join me and my church family on our church's live stream on Facebook in the link below. The one who is usually preaching is my hubby, the voice from behind the camera. And you might even see me singing on the praise team. The live stream usually begins between 10:30 and 10:45 after our announcement time on Sundays. Just tune in and enjoy. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.